Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting to do different hairstyles and this is going to be one of them, upright styling. I get a lot of people who ask me to do other videos instead of just styling my hair upside down. And the first step here is to brush your hair. Then add your favorite product. Make sure that your hair is just not stuck to your scalp is what I learned in Gena's video. I got the inspiration from Gena. What you're gonna wanna do here is just kind of brush your hair for a little bit of clumps, but at the end you will see that I break those clumps up. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. You don't want to form too many clumps or you just won't have as much volume when you style upright. I also learned that if you wet your hair a little bit more during this process, it will have a little bit less frizz. I already kind of started my hair a little bit damp. It was not too wet, but it was not too dry. So I would say it's damp. And here I go again with the little bit of brush styling. I watched her video and she likes to brush style just the top pieces. That way it creates kind of clumps, and then the bottom pieces are just kind of laying naturally how your hair lays, so that way you have a little bit more volume. And finally, at the end, I like to section it differently than she sectioned hers, just because I have such fine texture. And this is how I do mine. And then Gena also has coarse texture hair, and I have fine texture. So I knew right away I wanted to add root clips just for some volume, and my hair is a lot longer. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and just scrunch away just to create some more volume and break the cast that's in my hair. I really love this method. It's really amazing for somebody who does not like styling their hair upside down. I do feel like I did not have as much volume, but the volume kind of increased as the days went. Let me know what you guys think about this method.